folks, it's me again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click all some buttons, and pretend you like this channel. And leave a comment. And this is the weekly What's New. What's new? Not much. I've been hoping spring is here. It's finally here. The weather's getting warmer. I can do some welding. I probably don't have any Saturdays off because I got to work till whatever. But it's getting warmer, and I'm going to finish some projects. And this channel will get, yay, exciting. Not really, but anyway. What else? I got... Now that spring is here, I've been working on a house, so I've been trying to get the electrical finished. We got some drywall up, or I should probably do an amateur plastering video, which you probably don't want to see because it's going to be like a toddler using Play-Doh. Did all the electrical, saved myself about 20 grand. With that said, don't worry, the place ain't going to burn down. Everything's done to code, and electrician's going to inspect it all, so... Other than that, there's not much new, really. I've been here. I tinkered with some switches. I got some more switches to tinker with, and I have 3 more or 4 more coming to tinker with. And I got one, I think that actually doesn't look like shit. I think one that looks kind of okay. So I think I got the little side hustle there of trying to figure out. Basically, my basic videos for the last little while I've been trying to get the little switches to look a little more dark black, not dark black, a little darker, like newer looking. So I want them like look nice, because they all look like sun baked, like fried black. So with that said, I have a brand new reproduction gas tank coming, which is yay. I got some gas tank sealer so I can seal the where is it? I don't know where it is. I can seal the 200 the 200 no letter tank. I think the the seat cover is coming in, and I'll probably throw the original fenders on it for now. So I'm gonna, as soon as the weather gets nice, I'm gonna be a bad man and put some flat stop there spray in the tire, because I don't feel like taking it off. I don't really know how. I don't feel like ordering a freaking tube and mess with that. So I'll get that. I'll just keep putting air in it, and I'm gonna see if I can get this hunk of junk running. Maybe. The carburetor's been cleaned a little bit. It hasn't been perfectly done. I'm going to get that bike out of here. The shed's going to get working. I also picked up my wife a Honda, what was it? TRX 250, 1985. One owner. Whoa, I'll do a walk around with that, another video. But there's not much, just me doing shit. I haven't done a lot. It's not like COVID where I had all the time in the world. I could just sit in here and like for 3-4 hours, -4. It's just like, meh. So, gotta live life. Gotta do that stuff. So, now that the big thing, maybe World War III will come in and I'll have something to do in here again. Make videos. But with that said, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I hope you like my videos. I'm still here. I'm not dead, and still making videos. I had to slow it on a little. I got a few more videos. So, I haven't, this past week, it's, it's not February. This will probably be late March. I get this thing up. All these videos are a couple of weeks behind, so just so you know. And right now it's like what, +2 out. Last week it was -14 or something. So yeah, but yeah, what was I gonna say? Yeah, it's getting warmer out. I'll do some more things late at night when it's warmer. I got some welding. I gotta finish a sandblasting box so I can sandblast stuff. I haven't got to the powder coat guy. That I'm waiting a couple weeks. I'll drop some stuff off to him. And once all the stuff gets powder coated, I'm gonna get these bikes out of here and get a stand and start piecing the bike together, because I want to go drive another 3-wheeler. The 87 I'm gonna put back together. Maybe I should flip it. I don't know. Put it back together. But it's an 87. It's rare, so I like rare bikes. I just got the registration in for my 85 and 86, so that's good. And I just got to go register the 200E here. 200 no letter. So I was like, how many bikes you getting? Like, I don't know. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right now. 5 plus 1 in storage. Shh, don't tell anybody. Shh, don't tell anybody. Shh, quiet. But I'm gonna, one of the 85s that's not registered, I'm gonna get rid of and sell it. And just as a special bonus, I bought I call it a chunk. I bought a bike that had no wheels when I got it, so I had to figure out how to put wheels on it. And after I picked it up, I had to put wheels on in the dark, put in my storage unit, and I'm going to try to get that bike out of storage. I just want to see if it runs. So maybe I'll see if it runs, put a shitty gas... After I replace the plastic gas tank over there, I'll put... Because actually that one has a really nice gas tank on it, but it's got a dent in it. Oh my God. So, and I'm going to get a dent pulling kit and see if I can pull the dents out of these first. and try to push them from the inside. They're not perfect, but this one's got a small dent in the side, the 87, and yeah, I just want to see if it's there. There's no front rack. It's I don't even know if the wiring harness is toast, but it looks like it's intact. The fenders are destroyed. I think the front rack is demolished. There's no headlight thing on it, but if I can put a battery on it and get a neutral light and it started to engage, I could probably get the engine run. Probably. Anyway, I should shut up now. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening to me yakety yakety yak. Y'all come back and have a good one.